Tooltos 10A 15V Plating Rectifier Jewelry Plating Machine. The perfect combination of precision, stability, and efficiency for all your electroplating needs. Designed with a compact and portable structure, this machine delivers stable performance and high efficiency, making it ideal for professional jewelers and artisans. The Tooltos plating machine ensures fast and precise plating, creating a smooth, uniform, and clean film every time. Featuring a premium dual-dial digital display, you can easily adjust and control the voltage and current to suit your specific plating requirements. The advanced heat dissipation system keeps the machine cool during operation, ensuring stability and extended performance. With built-in multiple protections, including automatic voltage regulation and overcurrent protection, you can work with peace of mind knowing safety is prioritized. Perfect for surface treatment, this plating rectifier works seamlessly with copper, nickel, chromium, gold, silver, and other plating types, delivering professional-grade results. Built for precision and reliability, this machine operates with a maximum current of 10A and an adjustable voltage of up to 15V. Your package includes the Tooltos plating machine, an alligator clip, and a user manual, providing everything you need to get started right away. Operation steps. 1. Connect the power supply. 2. Alligator clips connect to plating machine. 3. Connect the alligator clip to the plating solution and jewelry workpiece. 4. Adjust the voltage and current settings on the dual dial display. 5. Begin the plating process and watch as the machine creates a clean and uniform coating. With its intuitive design, operating the Tooltos plating machine is quick and simple, making it suitable for professionals and beginners alike. Take your jewelry making to the next level with the Tooltos 10A 15V Plating Rectifier. Order yours today and experience precision, safety, and efficiency like never before.